I hope you understood how difference going to work. It's going to, so for example, I want to compare this set with this set. Then it's going to remove the common elements from the list, like from the second list, and it will give you the remaining, sorry, set. It will give you the remaining element from that set. It will remove the common element from the set and it will give you the remaining elements, okay, from the first set. Okay, so this is how difference going to work. Understood? We have two sets and we want to combine the two sets. Okay, even at the time, as like while combining two sets, if you have duplicates, it's going to remove duplicates. Okay. Okay, so I want to combine these two sets. Means my output should be like so what I'm doing, I'm just combining the two sets. Okay. So for that we have a method called union. Okay. Print s dot union s1. So it combined, right? It combined the data. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Here we have a method. Let me tell you. So here what it's doing, we can either print it or we can assign that to new variable, means a new thing, but it's not going to update the existing set. I hope you understood. It's not going to update the existing set. You need to take it into a new variable or you can just print it, but it's not updating anything. Okay, if you see here, let me tell you this thing. Now we are combining the data. After combining, if you print S and if you print S1, it didn't update S or S1. Okay, it didn't update S or S1. They will be in as like they won't there will be no change in S or S1. You can see, right? So after doing the combine, so for combine we are using union method. So with that you can combine any number of sets. Okay, together we can combine any number of sets. So what happened even after combining, it didn't change the value of S or it didn't change the value of S1. Okay, it's completely creating a new instance and that in new instance it's storing the data. But I want to update S or I want to update S1. Okay, I need to do the combine. Okay, I need to combine two sets, but I want to update the existing data. I want to update this ES or I want to update ES1 with combined data. Okay, with combined elements. Okay, for that we have a method called update union underscore update. Okay, I will show you how it's going to work. S dot union underscore update is not there. 1 second, let me check. It's not there, I think. Mm, sorry, that's not there. This is going to create a new instance and it will we can assign the combined data to new set. Okay, it won't change the existing data. It's completely going to create a new instance with combined data. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Here, let me tell you in the difference part. This difference part we saw, right? This concept is applicable here. See, post to checking the different, if you print yes, and if you print S1, the values won't be changed, okay? The values won't be changed. Okay. See, the values doesn't change, right? If you see, it's giving you the difference. Okay, it's giving you the difference. So I want to compare S with S1, and I want to remove the common elements from S. Whatever the elements I have in S1, that elements I want to remove from S. So that I did 4, 5, 6. But even after doing the difference, see, my value of S doesn't change and my value of S1 also doesn't change. It's not changing anything. But I want to do changes. I want to remove the common elements in existing set itself. At that time, after doing that, my S value will become 4, 5, 6. Not the same. My S value will become 4, 5, 6. Okay? Understood the requirement?
Yeah.
Now see Deepa, like in 44th line, you can see I'm doing the difference. So what difference going to do? It will compare the first set with the second set and it will remove the common elements. That happened and I printed. After that, if I check the value of S and S1, the values doesn't change. Same values I have if you see.
Yeah.
But I want to change that. I want to change the existing data itself. So what you can do at that time, you have a method called S dot difference underscore update. Okay. And S1. Okay. Now if you print it, the whole value of S going to change here. See, value of S itself changed.
Mm,
You see, I printed yes. I'm not printing S dot difference S1. I'm printing the value of yes. Before printing that, what I applied a method called difference dot update. So this difference dot update, what it will do? First, it will take the difference and then it will update the first set. Okay. Understood?
okay. Yeah.
You understood the difference between a difference and a difference underscore update, right?
Yeah.
Fine, right? And now I want to, like, you saw how to check the difference, and you saw like how we can combine two sets. And let's see how to get the intersection. Intersection is nothing but common elements. I want to print the common elements from sets. Two or more sets also you can take. Just you need to separate them with comma here inside that. Okay. Now I want to get the common elements from these two sets. What is the common element here?
3.
We have 4 as well. Now 3, 4 are the common elements. Okay, how you can do that? Print s dot. The method is intersection. It will give you the common elements. Okay. Now if you see, it gives you the common elements.
Okay.
Same here. It won't update the value of S or value of S1. Okay. The value still remains
Understood.
the same. The values doesn't change 1 2 3 4 3 4 5. But if you want to update the existing set with intersected data, for that you have a method called intersection underscore update. Okay. S dot, for example, if you want to update S1, if you want to update S1, okay, with intersected data, S1 dot intersection underscore update. And yes, now value of S1 going to change, not the value of S, okay? Value of S1 updated, not the value of S. So the first set it's going to update. Whatever set you give here at first time, that set it's going to update. Okay?
This you said before as well.
So if you have multiple, you can do that. Multiple with multiple sets also you can try. 4, 5, 6. Now it will take the common elements from 3. What is the common element from 3? 4 is the only common element.
Which is far.
Yeah. So for that, how you need to do? Just you need to separate them with comma. Print s dot intersection s1 comma s2. You can give any number of sets, but you need to separate them with comma.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is the first one, right? See, 4 is the only common element from the seed set. So from these 3 sets, that's why it gave 4 alone. Okay.
Okay.
If you use intersection underscore update or inter difference underscore update, these values only going to update the existing sets. They are going to perform two actions. One is they are going to take intersection, means the common elements, then it's going to update the first set. Same for difference. First, it will take the difference of the sets and it will update the first set. This is how difference underscore update, intersection underscore update going to work. Okay?
Okay.
Understood, right?
Understood.
Now I have a requirement. This is for
Manasa, why are you doing this like three thing that
that I already told you multi-line comment. Check it.
mm-hmm.
How we can do multi-line comment in Python. Now if you go here, difference, okay? Let me take these values itself and let me explain you one final method we have. See here, if you do difference, it's going to take the values from the remaining values from first set only, right? For example, if I do s dot difference s1, at that time, it's going to take the remaining elements from s, correct? But I want to get elements after doing the difference. I want to get elements from both sets. Like, see, if I what my requirement is 1 2 3 1 2 3 is the common elements, correct? I want to remove this 1 2 3 and remaining elements from both sets I want to combine, like 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Difference going to give you the remaining elements from first set. But I want to, after doing the difference, I want to combine the remaining elements together. From both sets, I want to take the remaining elements. Understood?
Okay.
Not only from one set. From two sets
Both the set.
to take, yes. So for that, we have a method called symmetric difference. Okay. Print s dot symmetric underscore difference. This one. Here I see, sorry. Symmetric. See, it did the difference. So that what is the difference? So the common element, it's going to do difference, right? So the common element is 1 2 3. So the remaining elements in S is 4 5 6. The remaining elements from S1 is 7 8 9 10 11. It combined together. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Same. It won't
So,
update the sets. If you check the S or if you check the S1, it won't. It won't change the values. Okay.
mm-hmm. Okay.
How do symmetric difference working? You understood, right?
Yeah.
And now I want to update yes. After doing the difference, I want to take remaining elements from both sets and I want to update yes or yes1. The first set I want to update. For that, you have a method called symmetric difference underscore update. Okay. S dot symmetric difference underscore update. S1. Now the value of S is going to change. See, S value changed, right? After doing the symmetric difference update, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it did the difference, it did the symmetric difference, and it updated the S first set. Okay? Deepa, did you understood?
Since if we keep the S1 there. It's going to take a
update the
difference of
S1.
S.
It's going to update the S1. See, now S value is repeating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S1 value got changed. So it's going to update the first element in difference underscore update or intersection underscore update or symmetric difference underscore update. It's going to update the first set. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Anything else left? Okay, is disjoint. Is subset is superset. Okay. So I want to check, okay, if the two sets are different or not. Two sets are different means there should be no common values. I want to check
Mm.
if the two sets are different or not. Means there shouldn't be any common value between the two sets. Okay, I have okay. See, two sets are different, right? I don't have any common element from the both. Okay.
Yeah.
To check that if two sets are completely different, to check that we have a method called disjoint. Okay. S dot disjoint is disjoint or is this 1 second. Is disjoint. Okay. It will return true or false. Okay. If
It's
the both are,
disjoint.
yeah. If the two sets are different, it's going to return true. If there is any at least one common element, it's going to return false. See, now I got true.
Okay.
Because I don't have any common element. At least if I have one common element, it's going to return you false. See, because of the one common element.
Okay.
Okay. And we have two more methods called E superset and E subset. Okay, you know the meaning of sub, right? Sub. For example, I have a set. Okay, this is my set. And let me take one more set. And this is my another set. See, now all the elements in A existing in set B, right? 1, 2, 3. And here
Yeah,
1.
up to.
So what is the meaning? So what it will happen? No, now A will become subset of B because all elements of A exist in B. That's why A is subset. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And B containing all elements of A, right? So B is superset.
Okay.
Understood what is subset and what is superset?
Yeah. A is a set and B is a superset
A is
because the
subset
value is,
because all elements of A exist in B. That's
so
why
that's
A
it.
is subset and B is superset.
Okay.
Now I want to check if a set is subset of another set. Okay. See, remember, all elements should be exist in another set. All elements should be exist. Then only we can say it is subset. So I want to check if A is subset of B or not. Is subset. So if A is subset of B, it's going to return true. Means what it's going to check? It will check all the elements from A exist in B or not. If you run it, it's going to give true. Because all elements of A exist in B, right? If you give at least one different element, I gave 7. 7 doesn't exist in B.
False.
Yeah,
Mm.
false. And I want to
Okay.
check if B is a superset of A or not. For that, the method is E superset. Okay?
Mm-hmm. E superset.
B dot is superset. If A is superset of, see, it's written true. But
Mm-hmm.
if you have only two values you have, okay? And if you check this
False.
time, it's going to return false because it's not superset, right? Because all the elements of A,
It's
B
present.
doesn't has. That's why it returned doesn't have, no. That's why it returned false. Okay. These are
Okay.
the
Yeah.
steps that we have in sets.
Yeah.
Clear?
Understood.
Yeah. Any doubts in the sets concept? That's it about sets.
No. No, Manasa. I have to just go through. Can I have the